Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Motorola. Firstly, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Following that, just set up an hour and tap on OK. Now you need to click on vibrate to enable vibrations and click on this little icon over here if you wish to add your alarm to Google Assistant routine. Then click on days of the week that you wish to set up and tap on add label. Over here you can label your alarm however you want to and click on OK. Now tap on default and select one of those melodies as the best one for your alarm. Then go back, but you can also choose add new over here, pick music from your smartphone, add it, and go back as well. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it, and if you wish to turn it back on, tap on the same one. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, tap on delete icon over here, and if you want to adjust even more alarm settings, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and adjust all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!